sick of artists telling me how to draw. I'm sick of artists telling me how to write. I'm sick of artists telling me how to use my freaking sketchbook. Here we go. Drum talk! Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Draw and Talk. It's your boy Tyler. Remember to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Now guys, I have a sad story to tell you guys today. Sad freaking story. It started off 3 years ago when I was talking with an artist who I respected, and she was like, hey Tyler, show me your sketchbook. And I was like, okay, and I pulled out my sketchbook and I showed her what was in it. I had roughs in it, I had sketches, I had notes, I had tons and tons and tons of unfinished pieces of work. You know what she said to me? She said, Tyler, you're doing sketchbooks wrong. This blew my mind, and because of this, I have not had a sketchbook in years since. She pulls out her sketchbook and every single freaking page is beautifully rendered art. I mean, I walked out of there ashamed. This all changed though when I met Justin Ori over Twitter, who is, you know, now a huge part of the Draw and Talk family. He told me, Tyler, you need to get a sketchbook again, and I'm not gonna lie, I was freaking scared. But here's the thing, if you were to Google right now how to sketchbook, you would see that the very first thing it says is make it yours, and that the last thing it says is use it for everything. So that's what I do, and that's how I live. If you were to open my sketchbook right now, you would see tons of notes, you would see tons of thumbnails, tons of sketches, tons of things. I realize I've been saying tons of, so do I edit this part out of the video or not? Just leave it. Sketchbooks aren't supposed to be perfect, and in fact I think that the best sketchbooks are the most imperfect sketchbooks. So I thought for today's episode we could do a fun sketchbook game. So real quick, I want you to pause this video. Seriously, pause it right now. Go get your sketchbook and go grab yourself an artistic weapon that you can draw with, because that's what you're gonna need for this game. Really like that artistic weapon phrase. I'm gonna start using that more. Once you've hit that play button, we're gonna start this game, okay? I googled random Pictionary generator on the internet, and it told me what to draw. So guys, we're gonna have 3 prompts. Each prompt we're gonna draw for 3 freaking minutes, okay? Remember, we want the most imperfect things. We want no prep, just draw. It doesn't matter what it looks like, okay? We're just gonna be sketchbooking together, okay? So get your pens ready. Get your artistic weapon ready, and put that timer on for 3 minutes. Here we go. Alright guys, how'd you guys do? This is my goblin right there. I used a Micron pen and also my Pentel brush pen. It didn't come out how I wanted it. I mean, I wanted some more scales. If I had more time, I would have done more scales, but it's totally fine. So I think for the next prompt, I'm gonna use strictly my Pentel brush pen. So guys, you ready? Here we go, round 2. Alright, sweet guys, how you guys doing? How did you guys do? Here it is. Here's my trash can right here. It's an angry trash can. I mean, he's got all that freaking, he's got the nice grease bubbles, just nastiness coming around him, and yeah. Last one, guys, here we go. Alright guys, this is I think my favorite, the Scarecrow. Obviously I try to use some Batman, and this is some Batman the Animated Series Scarecrow. But I like that I was able to get like the shadows in. I like that I was able to, you know, I had a good time with this one. In fact, I wish I'd had more time to draw some more of it. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for doing that sketchbook art challenge with me. If you did it, if you didn't, go back and watch the video and try to do it again. And seriously, just do this from time to time. It's a good way to warm up, and it's a good way to stretch your artistic skills. And it's a good way just to have fun. I mean, guys, sketchbooks are supposed to be fun. I mean, you can take them anywhere you want. You can draw anything in them. You know, the thing I love about art is that there is no rules. You know, you can break every rule in the art world, and it can look good. Okay. The most important part is that it needs to look good, but also even more importantly, it should be fun. Okay, art should be fun. So remember to smash that like button. Remember to smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. In the link down in the description is our Discord channel. This week's challenge is to draw the most unproportioned body. Okay, the most unproportioned person. Okay, so they can have like a huge chest, small arms, tiny face. If you need some freaking inspiration, just Google Rob Liefeld, and I'm sure you'll find some things.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. Do the art challenge this week on Saturday's episode. On the live episode, we'll showcase you guys' art, and thanks so much for being awesome. And guys, remember, have fun with your freaking sketchbook.
Drone Talk!